Yes. Sister.
I owed you a pen.
Don't worry about it. You want to keep it close?
Nah, I have it. I have another one. It was a nice one. I said, oh, it's a stainless steel one. I gotta give it back. So how you doing? Ready?
Yeah. Nice setup, man.
We'll see. We'll see how it goes. You want to say something to the Tornadoes?
We got it. We're gonna take the game.
All right. All right. All right, come on, Tornadoes. Give it all. Let's go. Who's helping him? Who's helping him? Who's helping him? Run the line, Moses, run the line. Take a shot. Second shot, William, second shot. Stop him, stop him. Good job, Tyler, good job, Tyler. Hunter, you got Moses, you got Moses, good job. Pass it! Pass it! Good hustle, guys. Good hustle. Let's go. Let's go. Tyler. Wherever he goes. Wherever he goes. Stick to him. Stick to him. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go again, let's go again, let's go again, let's go again, Tornadoes. Another corner kick. Right there, pressure, pressure! Take a shot! Wilson, Wilson, take a shot! Don't be afraid! Wilson, take a shot! As fast as you can! As fast as you can! Good job, Tyler! That's exactly what I need! Everybody, get a player! Get a player! Tyler! Tyler! That's it, Tyler!
Don't let anything cross you. You first to the ball.
William, ask for it. William, ask for it. Look up, look up. Pressure, pressure. Get him, Moses. Stop him, Moses. Offside. It's offside, guys. It's offside. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Offside. Turn around, turn around. Get rid of it, Ethan. Get rid of it. Kick it out. Grab it. Grab it. William, come back and help more. Come back and help more. Get a player, guys. Get a player. Ethan, it was going out. You should have let it go. Get a player. Get a player. What did I tell you guys? Where did I tell you to be? Come on, fight it. Fight it out. Ethan, don't try to play it in there, boy. Let's get it out. Open up, open up, open up. Moses, get it. Moses, get it. Moses, you got to be in front of them all the time, okay? Don't wait for the ball.
Stay dangerous.
Come on, Moses, got to stay in the middle, Moses, in front of them. Get it, get it. You got William, you got William. William, you got to open up, William. Wilson, you got to open up, okay? You got to open up. Don't stay in front of them because you just will be waiting on the way. Come on, Tornadoes, look up. We're not looking up. Come on, let's go. Moses, I need you in front of every play. Okay, you're waiting for the ball. The ball's not going to come to you.
Good idea, Roman. Good idea, Roman.
Kick it out. Grab it, grab it, grab it. Don't let it out. Don't let it out. Don't let it out. Small pass, a small pass. He's just right there. Hey, but that was a bad kick. That was a bad throwing. You switch it. Guys, get a player. What did I tell you guys? Where did I tell you to be?
Get open, boys. Check out. Check in.
Go, Wilson. Go, Wilson. Guys, get a player, get a player. Ethan, get a player. Tyler, behind him all the time, behind him all the time.
He's not offside. He is not offside, so.
Tyler. Nick, Lenny, you're right here. I need you here. Fast as you can, as fast as you can. Caden. They have is that number 2. When you're gonna go in, you're gonna grab that number 2 like it's a glue, okay? You're gonna stick to him wherever he goes, okay? Come on, look up, look up. Kick it out, kick it out. Good job, good job, good fight, good fight, good fight. Right there, Ethan, right there, Ethan. Again, 2 in a row.
Did it touch the line at all or no? Okay, so it's a Brito. If it doesn't come into the field, it's a Brito. You gotta read the rules on that. You got it.
coi cho mấy mới thở à rồi thế.
Harder, William, harder, William. Good job, Tyler.
Có. Còn ơi đó.
Control it, control it. Gotta get rid of it, Moses. Moses in the back. Good job, London. William, I need you to come back and help. Go, 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 go. William. William, I need those sprints. I need those sprints, okay? As fast as you can. Water break, water break, water break. You're gonna go in for Lenny. Lenny.
It's a sub break, but we call it a...
找一个人跟，找一个人跟。抄球，抄球，对，上。
Pressure, pressure, guys. You got Adrian, you got Adrian, you got Adrian. Careful, careful, careful. There you go, that's it. Woo! Come on, guys. Let's play tornado game. Let's go, let's go. Adrian, up to the red, outside the circle in the middle.
Hey, you know what to do. Bro, no, you know what to do. What did I tell you? Ethan, back up. What I told you to do. 给人看3号哦。
Go, Adrian, go, fight it, fight it. Go, Adrian, go, 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 go. Quítasela, 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 don't stop. Pass it, pass it. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Good job, it's ours. It's ours. What? Come on, get a player, get a player, get a player, get a player. Come on, get away, spread out. Pass it, pass it, pass it. You got Moses in the middle. Adrian, go to the other side. Tyler, Tyler. Pass it, pass it. Kick it to the side, kick it to the side. There you go.
job, Tyler.
Grab it, grab it. Open up, London, open up. Eason, open up right here. Adrian. Control it. Take it to the side. Take it. Control it. Stop it. Right there, Moses. Come on, guys. We know what we're going to do. You know we're going to cross it. Be ready in the box. Take a shot. Fight it again. Play back. You got Adrian. Woo. Good job, guys. Good job. Let's keep it up. Guys, take a deep breath. Let's go. Deep breath.
He turns, pero ya, él no voltea a ver.
Oh, he went so fast. My bad.
Pues domingo te va a decir
así. Adrian, second post. Adrian, acá atrás.
That's fine. From here, there is fine. From here. Coming everybody up that way. Not being my go-to area. Find that chair that way.
Hey, we got this, guys. Come on.
My parents help me out. They want us to move this way.
We have a whole thing right there.
I'm waiting for you guys.
The stuff too, no?
The things too?
From that chair, I told you. That black shirt lady.
Okay, up to here.
I'm fighting. Oh, heck yeah. Oh.
Good job. Turn around. Turn around. As soon as they touch it, Adrian. Control it, Moses, control it. That's it, Tyler. Thank you very much. Moses, control it, and then look up, see what we're gonna do. William, behind you, William. Make sure you go where he goes. Eason. Do not give them space, guys. I told you this. Take it, Adrian. Go, Adrian. Go. Moses, you're in the middle, boy. You need to be in the middle. Eason, you're on the right side. But you guys gotta turn around. You gotta be in front of these guys. There you go. It's our ball. It's our ball. It's our ball. Go, 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 Ethan. Go, run. It's us. It's us. Run the line, Moses. Inside the box. Inside the box. Moses, look up and pass it. Hey, penalty, ref. Come on. Go, 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 go. Pass it. Pass it. You got ball. You got Adrian. What was that? Sooner, Moses. Get rid of it sooner. Go, 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 go. Pressure. Go, Adrian. You got to back him up. Run the line, Moses. Run the line. Ask for it right here. Small cake. Small cake, Ethan.
Ready?
Pass it. Pass it. Lenny, you're gonna stop Tyler right now. But see, Tyler is running all the way in very fast. He's not letting them go through. I need you to do the same, okay? As fast as you can. So take deep breaths right now. Wilson, you're gonna come in for William right now, okay? William's on the right side, okay? Run, pass it, drop it, and pass it, okay? Control it, and pass it. Look up. Turn around, turn around. As soon as they touch, we go. Pass it. Get a player, Ethan, right behind you. Adrian, right here. Right there, Caden. Behind him. Go fight it, William, go fight it. Handball. Moses, get closer to him, ask for it, and then you pass it. Give it to Moses. Go, Adrian, go! Moses! William, if you feel good to shot.
Nice one.
Good job, kids. Good job. Take a break. You ready? Go, wait a break. Take a break. Take deep breath, guys. Take deep breath. ¿Ya te lo acabaste? Take a break. I need you ready for the last quarter. We're gonna kill him next quarter, okay? Tyler, take a break. Guys, I need you guys to help Lenny and Tyler and Caden in the back. These guys are too fast, okay? That number 2 was off on this quarter, but he's gonna come back right now. That number 2, Lenny, Caden, that number 2 is their player, okay? They all play good, but they always look for that number 2, okay? So get that number 2, whatever number 2. Just, I don't know where I don't know how he looks like, but it's a number 2. Once you're in the field, you look for them, okay? So make sure, don't stop running. Okay, Moses, get rid of the ball faster, boy. You had a lot of chances. Control the ball, look up, pass it and move. Ask for the ball back. You pass it again. Give it back, okay? That way you move right here. You receive the ball, you pass it to Adrian and you move to this side. And then he can pass it back to you and take a shot. Okay? Come on, you can do this, let's go. Ethan, William, where's William? Ethan, can you play right now?
Yeah.
Do you feel you want to play?
Yeah.
Okay, go play right now. You go off on the next quarter. Ethan, take a break. Take a break. You're not 100%, so I might need you. You might be out on. You're gonna be out on the next one, okay? So, you're on the right side over there. No, on the.
He's out for 3.
Now you're on the left, okay? Now you're on the left. Out. Open up, Adrian, open up, let's go. Take a shot. Woo! That's it, Adrian, that's it. That's it. Woo! Good job, Adrian. Nice shot. That's it. I need another one like that. Let's go. Okay, Adrian, they touch it, go. They touch it, go. Harder, William. Harder, William. Good job, Lenny. William, I need you to run, okay? I need you to run. Get a player behind you, William. As soon as we have it, we kick it out. Grab it, goalie, grab it. Lenny, grab it. William, ask for it. William, ask for it. Give it to William. Give it to William. Go, Adrian. Go, Adrian. Kick it to the side. Kick it to the side. Yes. Caden.
Landon, behind you.
Landon, all the way in the back. Landon, all the way in the back.
What's wrong with them?
Go, Wilson, go, Wilson. Run, run. Go, get Adrian, you got Adrian. You got Adrian. And run, run. You got Adrian, pass it to Adrian. Go, Adrian. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Landon, you two right here. You guys, one each right here. Caden, behind him all the time, so you see where he goes. Give it to Moses quickly.
Watch out, man on.
Pass it. Take a shot, Adrian.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, guys, take a shot. One of you guys, London, your defense, don't get in the mix. You're in defense right here. Inside the box. Take a shot. Come on, Moses. You're gonna give me a heart attack, Moses. Let's go, let's go, let's go. They touch it, we go, let's go. The ball was moving.
The ball has to stop moving, okay? Give it a little goal, though.
They touch it, we go. Adrian, open up to the side. To the other side. Go, Wilson, go, Wilson. There you go, Caden, perfect. Beautiful, you saw it, Caden. You saw him, very good, very good. Right behind him, London, behind him. To the side, beautiful. Get behind him, London. Kick it out, pass it, there you go. Take it, Ian, go pressure, take it away. There you go. Go, William, look up, William. William, pass it to them too, right here in the middle. Okay, look up, pass it. It's too far. Adrian, open up to the side right here. Go. To the side.
Run back, Landon.
Good job. Yeah, take it, Moses. Go to the middle, Adrian. Go to the middle. Faster, Moses. Get rid of it. Moses, get rid of it faster. Don't wait it till that's what's going to happen. Wilson, you take care of it. William, ask for it on the side.
Landon.
Get number 7, Miles. Get number 7. Get in front of him.
I think it's not out yet.
William, get a play right here.
Get back, Landon.
Caden, that's yours over there, okay?
The little guy.
Right, Adrian, go, Adrian. Don't let it out, to the side. Landon, you have to prevent a corner kick. Kick it to the side, get to the ball and kick it to the side. Behind you, Landon, right here. William, help right here to the right there. Kick it out. Wilson, run to every ball. Don't just look. Okay, we're attacking. There's no point for Adrian to come back. Hey guys, get a player. Hold on, Lenny, hold on. Everybody open up. Adrian to the front. Kick it out. Adrian to the front. Switch it. Switch it. There you go. Play back. Play back.
Play fast.
Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Puta madre. Ref. Hey, he was never offside.
No.
Why are you calling offside?
I'm telling them they are.
He was never offside. He never passed it.
Turn around, babe.
Turn around. Turn around. Good job, Lena. Good job, Kaden. Good job, Kaden. Come on, Wilson. Come on. Come on. Come back.
You work really good.
Again, London. Again, London. Good job. Good job. Behind it. Behind one. Behind one of them. Kaden, behind him.
Is this myth true?
Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. It's throwing.
Is it throwing?
It's a throwing, ref.
No.
Guys, behind the player.
Get it.
Kick it out, London. Kick it out. Take it, Adrian. Take it. Take it. Pass it to London. Take it. Take it. Take it. Go, London. Go, London. Get it. Pass it back. Pass it back. It's still in. Right there. Right there. Right there. Go, Adrian. Go. Good job, Landon. Good hustle. Come back. Landon, come back.
Nice, nice.
Go! Woo! Woo! Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's keep the momentum, guys. William, don't run that much, boy, to celebrate. You're getting tired on celebration. Let's go. Save that energy. They touch it, we go. Go, 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 go. Pass it, pass it. Pass it, pass it. Pass it, you got William. Take a shot, Moses. Take a shot. Go, Adrian, pressure. Adrian, don't just look at the ball. When you go to the ball, whatever happens. Moses, get closer. Give it to Wilson quickly.
Go in, Landon.
Look up.
Moses, pass it.
Look up.
Go, Adrian, go. Pass it. Pass it. Puta madre. Moses, pass it. Go, Wilson. Go, Wilson. Pass it. Pass it. Pass the ball. Adrian, take a shot. Come on, Adrian, fix your feet. Let's go, 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 go. To the side, to the side.
Nice.
Yeah.
Pass it to Adrian, pass it to Adrian. Go, Adrian, fight it. Give it to Kaden. It's still in, play it. Hey, ref. Lenny. Him.
Go smart. You're on this side.
Behind him all the time. Behind him all the time. Take a shot, Ethan. Yeah! Woo! Guys, did you see? We gotta take a shots. He won't grab it, okay? Take the shots. Take those shots. Ethan. Ask for it. Give it to Ethan. Open up. You got Wilson. Ooh. Kick it out. Grab it, Tyler. Oh, beautiful. Woo! Give it to him. Who's in the middle? Take it. Fight it. Take it again. Go, Wilson. It's your turn. Beautiful.
Just kicking out.
Adrian, when they're attacking us, I want you to come back to the middle, right where you are right now, okay? Yeah! Give it to him. Pass it. You got Wilson. Wilson, you got Adrian. Go, Adrian. Cut him. Get up. You got Adrian. Pass the ball, Moses. Grab it. I love Tyler. Pass it to him. You got Lenny too. I don't need you to come back all the time, okay? You got Lenny. Open up. You got Caden. Adrian, right there. Wilson. Moses, right there. Get behind him. Behind them all the time. Kick it out, Lenny. Harder. Go, Moses. Okay, now you're by yourself, Moses. Hey, ref. Adrian, open up to the side. Open up right here. Adrian, right here. Moses, put it on the floor. Pass it to Adrian and move. Go run with him. Cross it. Corner. Good job. Take a shot. Go in. Pressure, Wilson. Good job, Lenny. Good job, guys. Turn around. They touch it, we go. Lenny, you're my defender. Don't do that. You left him by himself. Okay, stay right here. Right here, behind. Let it go. I'm celebrating Tyler today. Behind you. Go, come out. Get a player, Ethan. Right behind you. Grab it. Beautiful. Kick it out. Tyler, don't just look for Ethan. You got Kaden on the other side.
这边找一个球员。3号没人。
Go, 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 go. Keep it there. It's okay. Just get a player.
I know.
Good job, Ethan. Good job. Yeah, but yeah, I think that's what they're looking for. They're looking for corner kick goals.
The camera's. I think it's been down the whole time.
Oh. Sorry, just too much emotions right here.
Are you recording?
Beautiful. That's it. We got this, Tornadoes. Take deep breath. Okay? Kaden, to the side. You grab it to the side. Wilson, you got to open up to the side and help him out. That'd be an option, okay? If you're in the middle, he has no one to pass it to. Pass it, let's go, pass it. Harder, Wilson, harder.
Don't let them score.
Beautiful. Let's go, Tornadoes. Everybody huddle up. Huddle up. Come here. Great game, Tyler. Woo! All right, huddle up. Who's my captain?
Moses.
Okay,
Moses and Ethan.
Tornadoes on 3. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, tornado!
Woo!
Goalie, go
Line up right here. Line up.
How many goals did you?
Tyler.
Hey, bro, let's go.
Hey, hold on.
What's the score again?
4-1. Great game, Tornadoes. Great game.
I mean, they're out. Next game,
Good game, kids. Good game. Good game, coach.
That was a great game.
Thank you.
Intense. Hey, I think we play each other next Saturday.
We do.
Yeah,
I think so.
Good job, guys. I hope this. Good luck.
Rematch.
Yeah. Dude, this is
Good
like
game.
the most fun I've had all season.
Oh, me too. Yeah, your
Let's
kids
keep it
are
up.
really good.
You too.
Yeah,
You guys
thank
played
you.
great. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ref. Thank you, ref.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
You guys.
Thank you, sir. Woo!
Just a reminder for your keepers, because when you play playoffs or if you do tournaments, when it's a save situation, we can't do punts. But if he chooses to put the ball down,
I know that. Attacking. He knows.
Yeah, okay.
He knows better than he
some
just
kids
forgets.
are still confused about it, so I just like to remind you.
I saw he did it like a few times, and I'm like, oh my God, you already know this.
Yeah.
But good thing the other team did it.
Yeah,
the other team
exactly.
forgot about it.
Yeah.
Because they were putting down and nobody was coming. I'm like, okay.
Once you get to playoffs or if you do tournaments,
Yes. Got it. Thank you.
good job.
Great team. Great game, Tornadoes. Woo!
We're gonna go against them next.
You did great blocks. What's wrong with you? Why didn't you like goalie? You helped us really good.
London!